Hi, my name is Grete. I'm an Austrian tour guide, and today we will find out which one of the two original Sacher cakes tastes the best. Sacher cake is a chocolate cake covered with chocolate and filled with apricot jam, and it's one of the most popular sweets to eat in Vienna. And there are actually two pastry shops that both claim that they have the original recipe. This is the pastry shop of Demel. It's right in the city center and very close to the Imperial Palace. Because during the Austrian monarchy, which ended in 1918, Demel used to deliver sweets to the imperial court. And then I walked to Sacher. That takes approximately 10 minutes. The Sacher is also in the city center, but opposite the Opera House. Can you see the flags? That's where the entrance to the hotel and the Café Sacher is located. And on the corner is the Sacher Eck. That's a shop where you can buy the cakes in different sizes and packages, and you can also sit down and have a piece of cake with some coffee. Hi there! Okay, so you might be wondering why I'm dressed up like this, in this beautiful dress and also with my little sparkling crown. And well, first of all, due to the pandemic, all the restaurants and cafes are closed, so I had to do the taste test at home anyways. And second, the Sacher cake used to be a cake eaten by the rich and the noble. And I figured, well, why not dress accordingly? So let me show you what these cakes look like. This is the Sacher Torte by Demel. That's how it looks like. We will now take off this little plastic layer. So, until very recently they used to have only one layer of apricot jam, which was under the chocolate glaze. But they changed that, and if you want to learn more about this, which is like a small culinary rebellion, you can learn about this in another video. Okay, now let's unbox the Sacher cake. So, as you can see, it comes in this beautiful box. And as a pro tip, I love to buy Sacher cake as a souvenir or when I visit friends abroad, because as you can see, there is this paper and it insulates really well. So even when it's a little bit warmer outside, the chocolate glaze doesn't melt that quickly. So love to bring it with me when I visit friends abroad. Not too small. Ah. Okay, there is cardboard up. Ah! Oops! Okay. We will start with the Sacher cake by Sacher. Served with whipped cream. What's really surprising is it's actually pretty moist, because at first I thought it might be a little bit dry because it looked dry, but it isn't at all. And it's very fruity. You can clearly taste the apricot jam, the flavors of the apricot jam, and also very chocolatey. Now let's try it together with the whipped cream. Oop.
The Sacher cake with the whipped cream, honestly, it's the perfect match. It feels like the whipped cream enhances all the flavors of the cake. I would definitely recommend to eat it with whipped cream. So I'll have another bite. More whipped cream. Again, I will try the cake without whipped cream first and then with whipped cream. Aha. So what's different right from the start, even without eating it, is the chocolate glaze. It feels totally different. It's more soft. The taste also is different. I feel that the taste is more subtle. Also, the chocolate flavor isn't that prominent. I mean, it still tastes chocolatey, but it's not so strongly pronounced. With the Eduard Sacher cake, the flavors blend more together and create like a unique flavor of its own. Let's try it with whipped cream. Yep. Also in this case, eating the Eduard Sacher cake from Demel with whipped cream really enhances the taste experience. I think I need more whipped cream. Oh! Coppola. For science, let's have another bite. Now, let's see what is the final verdict. Honestly, both of these cakes are delicious, and they are even more delicious with whipped cream. And I would actually recommend to eat both of them. But if you have to choose, I think I would go to Sacher first, because I feel it's one of the just must-dos when you are in Vienna, and also it's so iconic because of the Sacher brand and the Sacher Hotel. So I would go to Sacher first, to the hotel or the Café Sacher first, and eat a Sacher cake there. And maybe also buy a Sacher cake to take home with you. And then I would go to Demel and eat another Sacher cake there. I really hope you found this video helpful and you can make the Sacher cake decision that is right for you. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Auf Wiedersehen!